Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got another Marvel Legends figure here. I just copped Phastos over on Amazon because Phastos was my favorite character from the Eternals. And I'm like, I want that figure. So, got it. Let's unbox it. Find all the places they like to hide the tape. I don't even know why Phastos was my favorite. Like, his power was just really cool to me. To be able to, like, make things. I don't know, it just looked cool when he did it. And, like, I don't know, he's just kind of swaggy. He just seemed like a really cool guy. I think that has everything to do with the actor. Brian Tyree Henry. He's awesome. After, I didn't start watching Atlanta until after I'd seen this, but I love him in that show too. Here we go. There's the background. You see all the Eternals there. Alright, so here we have Gilgamesh's right leg and foot. Because if you collect them all, you get Gilgamesh. Don't expect to see from me because I don't got the money to spend on this whole collection. Go. Got him a fist here. And we got another fist here. Unless you want to punch with that hand. And here comes the man himself. Phastos. Pretty dope. Also, I really like purple. And actually, I like the hands that he came with. So I probably won't use the fists. I'm surprised he didn't come with any of his like magic tech stuff. Well, let's see if he can stand up. It's always like a test that I gotta do. Look at him stand. You can see his head right there. All by himself. It's a good figure right there. These people over here don't tend to like to stand by themselves. A lot of them got their backs against my movies. I say we go over there and add Phastos to the shelf.